All right, I'm in the garage. This is part 2 of the video. All these wood doors I'm running into have seen better days. An Allister, half horsepower. Doesn't say if it's a 2 or what. Another Craftsman receiver. Yeah, no receiver on the back. Huh, there's a extra gear on the side of it. I know this has nothing to do with real estate, but it is always interesting to see how well people take care of stuff. And you can tell when they have like all the original packaging, something came in, something like that, where they even have the extra gear the opener came with. That's pretty neat. For whatever reason, receivers didn't make it. The wood handle. The garage door button. Let's see if this one works. All right, this one does not work, but, or am I supposed to hold this one? Oh, there you go. Really big door, must have had a boat or an RV or something. Obviously the little limit at the top sliding along. All right, now we will get ready to close it. Can I get where I'm still? There we go. Oh, that light is loose at the top. That's what was scrubbing. Yeah. 2 openers in one day in 2 videos, because I don't know how to stitch videos together. Big string frames at the top. Try to stand back so you can see everything. There you go.